Yeah, look at that big boy. Whew. That is beautiful snook. That is a beautiful snook. Get him on the gurney here. This guy is definitely slot or over. He's got to be about 28, 29 at least. You got hooked good there. Boy, beautiful snook. That is a nice snook right there. Let's get a quick measure on this bad boy. I know this guy's in the slot. It's such a shame they're out of season because the fishing is incredible right now. 31 to 31 and a half. Yeah. Another beautiful slot fish, 31, 32 inches. Gotta put him back though. Look at that. Let's get him back. Beautiful fish. Oh, he wants to go already. Cannot believe this guy did not wrap me up. One of the better snook I've caught in a while. Without a doubt. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. When it is season, you can't ask for a better catch than that. Heart of the slot. Beautiful fish. We'll let this guy go. Maybe we'll run into him again in September. He's getting close. He's starting to wiggle on me here. You ready, buddy? All right. Look at that guy. Now that, my friend, is snapper. Nice fish. Very nice. Probably about a 14-inch fish. Thought it was a snook for a second. Good start. Right. The snapper running pretty good size tonight. This guy's probably about 14 again. Got lucky too, he didn't fray my leader at all. Normally you chew up your leader pretty good. It's about a foot. Wonderful. Beautiful little fish. He's dancing. Cannot get broken off by you, brother. Oh no, did you swallow it, you? Damn. He'll be alright. Just looks a lot worse than it is. Can't see anything though. Hey. Come on, buddy. You guys are just hailing it tonight. They get his gill, but he'll be alright. And we just lost a beautiful tarpon. I mean beautiful. Thought I had him beat, turned him, got him out in the open. He took one last run in the pilings, he leaped, and when he came down he went right against the piling. Snap. Almost had him. But look at these snapper. Look at this feeding frenzy. Saw about a 7-foot bull shark come through here too. Little intimidating. Okay, we're back. Sun's coming up. Pretty good night. Caught a nice snook, 31-inch fish, perfect right in the slot, would have been awesome out of season. Snook fishing always seems to be red hot whenever they're out of season. Go figure. Got a nice mess of snapper, that was the intended goal. That's what I wanted to get. My dad loves snapper, the plan was to get snapper, so that was a success. Redfish would have been nice, we looked, we checked 1,000 docks, couldn't find them, but we caught a couple nice snook, caught a bunch of nice snapper, hooked up a nice tarpon too, and had him beat, turned him to open water, and then he took a leap and spit the hook on me. Almost had him, but all in all a good day. The new impeller is holding up great. Nice little test running around and all that open water out there in the docks. So, good day, good fishing.